Okay, for this video, I wanted to talk about the Earned Income Tax Credit for 2021. So the IRS recently updated their FAQs on their site for this EITC for 2021. And specifically what they did was they updated question 15, which addresses using a prior year to figure your earned income. So if we look at question 15, so again, this was published last week, May 25th. Question 15 asks, can I elect to use my 2019 earned income to figure my EITC for 2021? Okay, so if we jump over to the revised FAQs here, so these are the revised FAQs. These were originally published back in March. And if you scroll down to question 15 here, and again it asks, can I elect to use my 2019 earned income? And the answer is yes, right? So for 2021, eligible taxpayers can choose to figure your EITC for 2021, your 2021 Form 1040, using the higher of your 2019 earned income or 2021. Okay, now in some cases, as it notes there, in certain instances, this could result in a greater amount of EITC. So why is that, and why did they add this rule for 2021? And again, it exists for 2020 as well. So because of the pandemic, a lot of individuals either lost their job or their hours were cut back, and overall their earned income in 2020 or 21 was less than the pre-pandemic levels. Now, the reason why that's important is because when you compute your earned income tax credit, you have to use your earned income. And in certain cases on the tables, if you have more earned income, you get a larger credit. All right, so the best way to look at this is jump over to the tables and look at an example. So the EITC tables are found in the Form 1040 instructions. So if you looked at the 2021 Form 1040 instructions buried in there, so this is page 48, you'll be in the mix of where the EITC tables are. So let's look at an example here. So let's say you're a single filer, so single filing taxpayer, and this is the number of qualifying children you have. So we'll go single filer with one qualifying child, and then on the left here is our income range. So if I'm a single filer and I have one child, let's say in 2021, my earned income was only around $8,000. So let's say it was $8,750. So I had $8,750 in earned income. So let's say W-2 wages for 2021. Now, based on this table, the amount of EITC I'll get is $2,984. Okay, so not a bad check. However, what if I decided, well, let me look back at my 2019 taxes. And let's say on my 2019 taxes, I had more money, I earned more income than this. So if we look at the table down here again, so again, the same columns, let's say in 2019, my earned income was $15,150. Notice what happens here. I get a greater EITC. So my EITC based on $15,150 of income is going to be $3,618. So I'm getting basically an extra $700 in earned income tax credit by using my 2019 numbers. So in this case, yeah, it would absolutely be beneficial to you when filing your 2021 taxes to compute your EITC using your 2019 earned income rather than 2021. Now remember, it has to be higher, right? So your 2019 income, if it's lower, it doesn't matter. You can't use it at all. Only if it's higher can you elect to use it on your 2021 computation. Now, again, this doesn't work all the time, right? In a lot of cases, if you get further on down the table list here, as the income levels go up, you'll find that as you make more money, the amount of credit you get actually goes down. It's kind of like a bell curve almost, right? So there is like a sweet spot where if you have earned income in 2019 that is greater than 2021, you could get a bigger EITC, but again, that's not always the case. The point is, check it, right? Double check it, look at the tables, look at the income levels and what the outcome might be, because there are many circumstances where if you elect to use that 2019 amount for your earned income computation, that you will get a greater tax credit. And I think, so a lot of tax software, they're supposed to create a diagnostic to kind of alert you to this. So if you're using TurboTax or whatever, but they kind of gloss over this issue, frankly.